What's up, guys? Welcome to an episode of Toy Review. Today, we got some special things to show you. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, I have two products for you to review. What do we have here? Oh, it looks like lab putty. It's some weird glass putty that's supposed to be like glass, but liquid. How amazing. Look at this. What does it say in the back? Okay, it looks like glass, feels like dough, melts like ice. I don't know if it will actually melt. And apparently you can scope it like clay. Alright, let's open this. Let's see what's on the inside. So yeah, it kind of does look like, oh, okay, this is the plastic. I thought this was the actual thing here. It looks so clear. It's like, okay, I'm gonna open this. Oh, listen to that. It's like ASMR. I should make this an ASMR channel now. Look at this. It's like, okay, it's like so clear. Now I have my fingerprints on it, so it doesn't look as translucent now, but it's really fun to hold. Alright, this is the first product. Now let's look at the second product. This is amazing snow. It's supposed to be like real snow, but it's not as messy and it won't melt as like the real snow. So it's just basically fake snow you can create at home. And I'm gonna have to grab some water for this. If I can make it there. Alright, so let's see. Now what's the first step to do? So I have to fill the dish halfway with water. So I'm guessing it's this dish here? Okay, yes. I think that's a half. I'm not sure. It could be half, right? Okay, you guys gotta see this. It kind of just like crystallizes as it falls down. So I gotta do this again. It's really cool to look at. It's different on camera, but it looks really cool in person. I'm gonna add some more water to this. No, that's really sweet. Well, that's all I have for you today, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, this is a lot of nuts over here. If my mother would have come in my room with seeing this stuff around, she'd be like, ha, what are you doing in here?
That's why her room's a much better place to do it.
Definitely.
And I'm like, yeah, whatever.